They're clones from an alternate reality possessed by demonic alien spirits from another dimension's future. Do you need a mnemonic device or something? Just hit the button already!
Morty, please. I love you, sweetheart.
These demonic alien spirits are really valuable. You okay, Morty? I told you not to trust that tuna.
It just killed my family. I don't care what they were.
I don't know, Morty. Some people would pay top dollar for that kind of breakthrough.
You know what, Rick? That's it. I'm done with these insane adventures. That was really traumatizing. I quit. I'm out.
Whoa, come on, Morty. Don't be like that. The universe is a crazy, chaotic place.
You're the one that's crazy and chaotic. Adventures are supposed to be simple and fun.
Oh yeah, Morty. Yeah, right. Yeah, that's real easy to say from the sidekick position. But how about next time you be in charge, and then we'll talk about how simple and fun it is.
Seriously, Rick? You'll let me call the shots?
Okay, yeah, fine. Morty. If your adventure sucks and we bail halfway through it, you lose the right to bitch about all future adventures. Plus, you have to do my laundry for a month.
Okay, all right, tough guy. But if my adventure's good, I get to be in charge of every third adventure.
Every 10th.
Deal. All right, well, come on, let's get going.
Dad, the dishwasher's doing that thing again.
Washing dishes?
No, the opposite. Can you fix
Grandpa
it?
Rick, can you help me with my science homework?
Yeah, just don't do it.
Grandpa!
Hey, Rick, you got some kind of hand-shaped device that can open this mayonnaise jar?
Wow, hat trick. All right, Morty, let's put a pin in this. I gotta help your pathetic family.
Oh, that sounds like something a chicken would say. Buck, 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 buck,
Oh,
buck, buck.
Morty, you done did it this time. It's on. I can't wait to watch your adventure lay a huge fart. As for you, ding-dongs, this is a Meeseeks box. Let me show you how it works. You press this.
I'm Mr. Meeseeks. Look at me.
You make a request. Mr. Meeseeks, open Jerry's stupid mayonnaise jar.
Yes, sirree.